Meaning of extraction.
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 Extraction. Extraction refers to the process of obtaining or removing something from a larger entity or source. It involves taking specific elements out of a complex system or substance, such as data from a database or minerals from the ground. The result of extraction is typically a purified or refined product that can be used for various purposes. Extraction techniques vary depending on the type of material being extracted and the desired outcome. Common examples include oil extraction, mineral extraction, and data extraction, which are used in industries ranging from energy production to marketing research.